Hello, this is a most requested video out of the last 2 years, even before I was making videos. Many people see me walking around with this Horizon suitcase. And the most common remark I get on it is like, oh, you're going on holiday. No. Let me show you. I have bought this one and I had the bigger version before, the Horizon 7. This is a Horizon 6 and it was a long process finding the right suitcase. That's my toolbox. Let me show you a few things in here. I have usually with me a drill set for metal. This is the hardened version and it's from 1 millimeter to up to 10 millimeters. Then I have included a whole set with bits in different sizes and universal drills, which you can basically use everything, but yeah, hardened steel, inox, whatever, is not going to be the perfect solution, but for everything else, plastic, wood, concrete, you can do with those here. Also up to 10 millimeters, always nice to have that with you. Then there was a packing plate inside, which we took out. I have that here by chance. Give me a second. That's the packing plate, which usually came in here to compress your stuff, but not using that right now. But it fits perfectly a Sortimo box. It's the 236 box, which is a medium size one. And when we open this one, I'm not sure if you can see it right away. Let me lift that for you. Here we go. There's a Makita bit set inside, because Makita has really good bit sets in a nice version with also some nuts for millimeter work. That's one part here, Torx, etc. Battery for the Makita. The Makita DT171, you already know this one from another video. Then Ellington keys in US size, really important. An adjustable wrench, so that's usually being carried here. Then I have Bosch, this is the FC60, which you can change the top parts, having a normal drill bit on the front. Having a hammer drill if you want to, because the Makita is the impact wrench, hammer drill function here, offset, then you have the around the corner thing. So that already gives me so much variability. With this thing I can usually get everything done. And it fits all in the box and I still have space in here. So if I get screws or something which I have to take with me, I can also add it in this box. And I have like, I think 10 of those boxes. I have a special trolley from Bosch for it. I didn't go for the Sortimo one because the Sortimo can load more, but the boxes are not so good protected against moving around. So that's why I took the Bosch, but I will make a video on this. Then I have a nut and bit set, and this one is US and European millimeters. So it's inch and millimeters. We use the inch ones here and also on the other part from the Ellington keys for the fryers, which have screws and nuts and bolts in inch, which is always important to know. Then I have a blind rivet set with me. The blind rivets are also inside. If you want to know what a blind rivet is, please put it in Google. I have no video yet, but it's basically when you want to connect two pieces of metal, for example, and you have only access on one side and there's no thread inside, then you can just connect those two pieces without welding. Works pretty nice. That's the part here. Then we go on the other side, which is important. Here I have usually my cooling liquids or cooling oil for cutting and drilling. And the most important one, it's my safety package. This is all safety gear and more delicate parts. Let me put this together. So I have the earmuffs, Cam Hauser, thanks for the video idea again, which are from 3M, the what is it called, Peltor. I really like them. That's really, really quiet. And they're super lightweight, and you can easily put them back together. I'm not sure how long this plastic will last, but so far, so good. I have protection goggles in here. You never know. And a pair of gloves. Then I have a lot of pens, permanent markers in different colors. You're just getting frustrated if you want to mark up a spot where you have to drill and then you don't have a permanent marker. And a Stabila torpedo. This is a small version. Super nice, long warranty on it, and easy to use. I like this one really to have there with me. Then I have on this side even a really, really small water scale. I mean, this is just like if you need a rough understanding and the corner is really small. And last but not least, a 3-meter Stanley meter. So that helps as well. Unfortunately, no inch measurement. Sometimes I would like to have that too, but in this case, it was just available like this. Okay, so this is usually a camera bag from Quechua. This is Decathlon, the French company, but I misused it for this one now, and I try to keep the package like this. Oh, oops. The bottles will go the other way, so move it here, so otherwise it will tumble around, etc. So you have the top part. This is all what is in here. I have another AirTag in here because sometimes I leave the suitcase in one of the restaurants, and then at the end of the day I'm getting old and asking myself in which restaurant did I leave the backpack or the suitcase. So that's why the AirTags help. It's not about the theft topic, it's more about where are my tools right now. As you see right now, it doesn't fit perfectly, but totally fine. And I went from the H7, like I said before, to this version because the other version was really, really big. And with this one here, there's also a benefit coming with this. It has an included power bank, which I usually try not to use unless it's force majeure. I'd rather use the power outlet. And yeah, that's basically all. It works pretty well. And just to give you the quick one, I mean, let's have a look. This time it's empty. Good that you look at it. So we can move that. Yeah, so that's what I'm using, and that's why I have it. I mean, there's still space to transport stuff. There's still some space to put like screws inside or plugs for the wall, whatever you need. And yeah, I'm super happy with this one, pretty sturdy. There's a 5-year warranty on it. That was another call to use this kind of thing. I was thinking about using a trolley with the boxes on top, but I realized later on that's a more flexible solution. That's a more accepted solution. If you run around with like 2 boxes, everyone looks at you like crazy. But this way, people just think like, oh, you're going on holiday. Yeah. If you enjoyed this one, please leave a like. If you want to hear more or you have specific questions, leave them down in the comment section. Yeah, and so far so good. Thank you for watching. Other videos will come here. And if you want to have more content like this, please, please, please subscribe to the channel. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to see you next time. Probably with a little different angle and view. Be surprised. Thank you. Bye-bye.